All right, guys, we're going to work on a step called flap. We're going to learn it to a little song called Kick and Splash. For flap, I'm going to move forward so you can see my feet a little better. We pick up our foot in back. We brush front and step. Brush front and step. Make sure you brush the floor when you swing that leg forward. We're going to kick and splash like it's raining, okay? You're going to kick in the puddle and then splash in it, okay? So here we go with a little kick and splash.
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, but it's such fun for us.
Kick, splash,
Kick and splash,
splash,
splash, splash, splash,
splash,
step,
brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step. Now, if you're getting really good at it, you can practice with no heels on the floor. Brush, step. Brush, step. It's hard to balance. Keep those hands on your hips. Very good. I hope you guys liked that one. That's a really fun one to practice. I'll see you guys later.